Hello children, welcome to our English grammar class. Today we will learn singular and plural. Children, here are two pictures. Follow the picture. What are the difference among these two pictures? Look carefully. Here is one ball, but here the number of ball is 2. So, when it is 1, we call it ball. But when the number become more than 1, it may be 2, it may be 3, it may be 10, 100. That doesn't matter. Okay? When it becomes more than 1, we will call it balls. So, we add s, sometimes we add es. Okay? So, it becomes plural. Singular, plural. Okay? So, it depends on the number of object. In the first picture, the number of mango is 1. So, we call it mango. But when the number of mango is 3, we say it mangoes. Okay, mango, and here mangoes. Goes. Look children, here we add es, not s, es. So, singular and plural. Here is a box with some nouns and with their singular form and plural form. Okay, singular form here in this column. These are singular form and these are plural form. Okay, mango, mangoes. Balloon, balloons. Here we add es. Here only s. Boy, boys. Table, tables. Girl, girls. Glass, glasses. Here we add es. Okay, to make it plural. Here it is one glass and it is more than one glass. Okay. Flag, flags. Wheel, wheels. List 6 differences. So, here you have to write the differences among these two pictures. So, in the first picture, here is one balloon, and in the second picture, here are 4 balloons. 4 balloons. This is singular of balloon and this is plural of balloon. That is balloons. Okay. Second thing, ball. What are the differences among these two pictures? Ball, balls. Mango, mangoes. Okay. Flag, flags. Wheel, wheels. Now you have to write here. Okay. Solve this page. Next page. Many nouns change to plural by adding s. In our previous page, we have already learned this. We make plural of nouns adding s. Sometimes we add s and sometimes we add es, and many other process you will learn one after one. Okay, here we add s. Table, tables. Bird, birds. Tree, trees. S. Okay, here we add s with the noun and make it plural. Okay, plural means more than one. Okay, tree, trees. I hope you understand. Okay, nouns ending in s, x, sh, o, s, and ch change to plural by adding es. Now you have followed that sometimes we add s and sometimes es. So when we will add es? When the noun ends with these letters. That means the ending letter of the noun will be this. Then we have to add es instead of s. Okay children, तो जिन नाउन के लास्ट में ये वाले लेटर्स होंगे, what are the letters? s, x, sh, o, s, ch. लास्ट में ये वाले लेटर्स होंगे, वहाँ पे हम लोग प्लूरल बनाने के लिए s नहीं es ऐड करेंगे. ओके, आपने देखा कि सिंगुलर प्लूरल हमारे प्रीवियस पेज में क्या हुआ, s ऐड करके हुआ. ठीक है, सिंगुलर यानी वन एंड प्लूरल यानी मोर देन वन, एक से ज़्यादा. वो 2 भी हो सकता है, वो 200 भी हो सकता है. ओके, बट वो मोर देन वन होगा तब वो प्लूरल. ठीक है, तो प्लूरल करने के लिए हम लोगों ने पहले s लगा के सीखा, अभी हम लोग es लगा के सीखेंगे. सो when the noun ends with these letters, जब नाउन ये सब लेटर से ख़त्म होगा तब हम लोग क्या करेंगे, तब हम लोग es लगाएंगे to make it plural. Okay, like look at the examples. Bus, buses. Potato, potatoes. Bus ends with s, so we add es to make it plural. Potato, it ends with o, so we add es to make it plural. Mango, o, that's why we add es to make it plural. Tomato also ends with o, and so we add es to make it plural. Okay, now look at the remaining examples also. Here you have to solve this exercise. Change this naming words into plural by adding. Here is exercise. You have to make these nouns plural by adding s or es. So now you have to follow the letters. Is it end with these letters? अगर इन लेटर्स से ख़त्म हो रहा है नाउन तो आपको es ऐड करना है. ठीक है, अदरवाइज यू हैव टू ऐड s, नहीं तो आपको s से उसको प्लूरल बनाना है. सो फर्स्ट वन इज बॉक्स एंड्स विथ x है ना हमारे लिस्ट में, तो इसको हम लोग क्या करेंगे, बॉक्सेस यानी es ऐड करेंगे, नॉट s, es. ओके, सो इसका प्लूरल होगा बॉक्सेस, es. ओके, box, yes, boxes. Now the next one, chair, chair. r क्या है इस लिस्ट में, no, so you have to add s to make it plural. So ये क्या होगा, chairs. Only s, we add only s, not es. Okay, children. Third one is bed. D. D is not in our list. So to make it plural, we add only s. That is beds, beds. Number 4, match. Match. End letters of match is ch. Ch. Is there ch in our list? Yes, ch. So we have to add es to make it plural. Matches. matches. Okay, matches. So I repeat in Hindi, अगर नाउन इस लेटर से ख़त्म होता है यानी एंड लेटर्स ऑफ नाउन ये लेटर्स हो तो तब हम लोग उसको प्लूरल बनाने के लिए क्या ऐड करेंगे? es. ओके, सो यू कैन सॉल्व द रेस्ट, द रिमेनिंग. I will continue this part in our next class. You have to complete up to this. Okay, thank you.